Welcome to part 3 of using reference databases. We're going to be moving towards how to structure our search. So at this point in time, we're still striking out. That's okay. I'm going to show you how to keep moving. Now, one thing we can do is with the thesaurus, we really need to be generating more terms. We haven't really come up with those magical terms yet. And this is fine. This is fine. Strategies, college students. The problem we're having really is organization. We haven't really come up with the best keywords because organization means, of course, an organization. We could change it to organized, but it's still, there are many different meanings of organized. We need to get clearer. Now, what I would say is probably our best bet of these 5 is probably productivity. Being productive. So let's go back to the database. Let's type in productivity. Let's see what we get. Scroll down. We got efficiency again. Fertility. Output. Turnout. Productiveness. Fruitfulness. Yeah, I would say productiveness. And another word that's coming to mind that I'm associating with productivity is time management. So I'm going to put that. Now what we need to do is we need to focus now on how to structure our search. And in order to focus on how to structure our search, we need to know how Boolean operators work. Boolean operators are and, or primarily, and also not. And or not. I'm going to give you a basic explanation of Boolean operators. If I'm going too fast, I suggest you look at these 2 videos. Boolean operators, it's 3 minutes, and this one is 5 minutes. They're both very good, but the short version of what Boolean operators are, once we get to the advanced search, we have the and the or. Now what this means, apples or oranges, what that means is it's going to, any article that has apples in it or oranges in it. So that means articles just talk about apples, articles just talk about oranges. Now, here, oranges and apples, only articles that contain both oranges and apples will be returned. If this is confusing, once again, these 2 videos will give you a much more in-depth understanding, but I'm just going to move on. So what I would suggest, here's our search structure. What I would suggest is starting out, this probably looks a bit confusing, that's okay. It'll be a little bit clearer as we go on. Starting out simple. So I'm going to start with just a few words that cover these 2 concepts. The 2 words I like best are productivity and time management. So productivity or time management. The other component, we can add strategies later. Maybe academic and college students. So again, if this is confusing, watch the Boolean video. But what we're really looking at here is we want articles that include one of these concepts and one of these concepts. Productivity, time management, academic, college students. So this is in the advanced search, and since we have these 4 boxes right here, that'll be perfect. Productivity or time management. I said academic or college students. Now the next thing you have to decide is what type of field you want. Do we want the words time management productivity to be anywhere? Do we want them to be in the text of the document, the title of the document, the abstract? The abstract is a short description of the document. A good starting point is abstract. If we get too few searches, we can do a broader search. If we get too many searches, we do a narrow search. It's sort of in the middle. Abstract is a good place to start. So, hit search, and 18,000 results suggest to me that we probably sort by relevance. It's too broad. We need to narrow it. And it's too broad, and it usually means it's also probably relevance is a problem. Helping intercollegiate athletes in and out of sports, technology uses. It's not really organization skills for students. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click modify the search, and I don't like the way they do this. I'm going to put this back here. Productivity or time management. I'm going to get rid of this right here. Delete this. And instead of abstract, I'm going to click on the title. Now what this means is it's only going to return documents in which one of these words is in the title and one of these words is in the title. Click on search. Okay, we just have 760 results now. And let's take a look here. The effects of a self-management procedure on the on-task behavior, academic productivity, academic accuracy of female students. We're getting closer. Maximizing what students get out of college, testing a learning productivity model. We're definitely getting closer. Now, one thing that's helpful is we can't, it would say full text down here if this was full text, so we can't actually access this. Click on full text and do the search again. 174 results. Not sure the first one is English language. College students' time management correlations with academic performance and stress. We're definitely getting closer. Time management practices in African American culture. College students' academic stress and its relation to their anxiety. So we're definitely getting closer. We have a manageable number of references. I'll click on this one to show you how you access it. So the full text is right here. Sometimes the full text does not appear down below. You click right here then, full text, and you'll get the PDF. And I like to open it up in a PDF reader. But here we go. And here it is. College students, academic stress, and so anyway, so we are finding articles that are much more relevant now. I am aware, so I've only taken you through portions of the 10 pages you're going to read. I've added a few things that aren't in there, but this is just to get you started. It is possible that with your article, maybe you'll find exactly what you want right away. Perhaps it's much harder. That's okay. We have time to work on it, and we're going to be helping each other on helping to sort of hone in on the problems anyone is having. Okay, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing the work that you all do.